2 days ago, we collected some questions from our fans about Redmi Note 13 series. After my hands-on experience in the Xiaomi store yesterday, I think I can now answer those questions. This video is not just an unboxing or hands-on video, but also a Q&A about the Note 13 series. Before I answer those questions, let me unbox it first. Unfortunately, we didn't get the Pro version nor the vegan leather version of the Pro Plus. This time, we could only unbox the black version of the Note 13 Pro Plus. The most basic card pins and the manual haven't changed anyway, we're all used to that, but the phone case has changed to a black silicone material this time. It feels much better than the previous transparent case and it doesn't turn yellow due to oxidation. I hope all Redmi phones will come with this kind of case in the future. The charger and charging cable are also pretty ordinary. Without further ado, let's get right to the questions. Let's start with the Pro Plus version. Well, the most basic upgrades are the main camera and the processor, of course. But apart from these two basic upgrades, there are some very pretty or useful upgrades, such as a better looking screen with a smaller curve. The protective glass is also Corning Victus and it works even if your fingers are wet. Most importantly, it's IP68 certified. This makes the Ace 2 Pro, which also has this feature but doesn't support IP68 and is more expensive, a little embarrassing. The resolution and the maximum brightness of the display have also been upgraded, and the fingerprint era has been switched from the side to the underscreen. In short, it's just as good as the one on the K60 Ultra. Although it's a curved screen, the bezel is partially flat though. This makes it look and feel very much like the Xiaomi 13 Ultra from the front. It's really hard to believe that the $260 phone can be so premium. As for the Note 13 Pro, it's not as impressive. The processor has been upgraded to a 4nm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2. The panel and the protective glass on the screen have been upgraded to the same as a Pro Plus, also with under-screen fingerprint recognition. The back cover is glass, not plastic anymore. The specs are also excellent, though the design is significantly weaker than that of the Pro Plus. Well, I'll answer the first question later. Let me answer the second and third first. The most obvious difference between the two versions is the look. I didn't get that color blocked the vegan leather version, but I'm sure you can get a sense of how good it looks by viewing the pictures. That white version is also very nice, and if you hate vegan leather, this colorway is a good choice. The Pro version, on the other hand, is obviously a much blender design, and only that new color looks better, but no vegan leather version by the way. The second difference is the processor. The Pro Plus is with the Dimensity 7200 Ultra, and the Pro version is a Snapdragon 7S Gen 2. Both are available on the phone for the first time. We will go in depth about it later. The third difference is in the charging power. Like the Note 12 series, the Pro Plus is still 120 watt and the Pro version is still 67 watt, but the battery of Pro version is slightly bigger. The third question is really hard to answer. As I just said, the Pro Plus has IP68 and Corning Victus glass, which should make it more durable than the other phones. The Pro version doesn't have IP68 certification though, so if you want to use it for 3 years or more, the Pro Plus version would be a better choice, I think. I installed Untitled on the Note 13 Pro Plus. The scores, as you can see, are just average for a mid-range phone, but the Dimensity 7200 Ultra on the Pro Plus is about 46% better compared to the Note 12 Pro Plus, which is arguably a huge improvement. The Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 in the Pro doesn't look so good though. This processor doesn't have much to do with the 7 Plus Gen 2, it's more of an upgrade from the 778G. Since it is manufactured in the 4nm at Samsung, don't expect too much performance from it. Thanks to the better processor used in the Pro Plus, it does support 4K EIS. We didn't get our hands on Note 13 Pro, but based on the performance of the processor, chances are that the Pro version doesn't support EIS in 4K recording. We've just talked about the performance, so let's talk about the camera. 200 megapixel photos are actually pretty good overall, except for a little bit short in dynamic range. I don't think it's the quality of the photos that stops people from taking photos in 200 megapixel mode though, it's the size of the photos. 200 megapixel photos are 15 times the size of a 12 megapixel photo, and that's pretty terrifying. So for the most part, 200 megapixel mode remains a gimmick. This high megapixel sensor only shows its strength when zooming. The main camera is good enough. In fact, what really disappointed me is this perpetual 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and 2 megapixel macro camera.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I don't know. I really don't know. Even if I know the answer, it's a trade secret. Some media leaked Xiaomi's new phone before, then they had to compensate Xiaomi a million RMB. I don't want to be that person. Moreover, I really don't know. Sorry. Since the Note 13 series have only just been launched and aren't on sale yet, we haven't been able to do programs like a battery life or gaming test. You guys can just subscribe to our channel and wait for the Note 13 Pro Plus full review. The answers to all these questions should be in that video. Still Android 13. Nope. There are no bad phones, only bad prices. No doubt the price makes them very good phones. I'd recommend you guys to get the Note 13 Pro Plus more. Aside from the fact that the Pro Plus version is even better in every way, there's another reason that the processor upgrade on the Pro version is so small. This year's Note 13 Pro Plus is more beautiful, more powerful, and more durable. As long as you're not a heavy gamer, you can't go wrong buying it. At least you can get a better phone at the same price. So what do you guys think about the Note 13 series or any tests you want us to do in the review video? Leave them in the comment section. This is Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you next time.